This is a tutorial on canva.com. I have already have an account in Canva. You can sign it free from your Google account. So you can create lots of design from Canva. Animated social media, infographic, and many more things. But for today's tutorial purpose, I'm going to create a design for Instagram post. We have other options also. You can also create different social media posts for Pinterest, animated social media, infographic for Pinterest, Facebook. There are different options available. Even you can create your custom dimension also from here. So I am searching for Instagram post. Here it is, and it will give me a layout for Instagram post. Yeah, I got the layout for Instagram post. Now you see there are lots of options here, like you get templates, you got photos which you can use for creating designs. There are lots of options here. You can play around with it and find the niche you are looking for. Like I'm going to create a niche for health and weight loss, so I will select accordingly. So these are the images available here. I can use it. There are elements. Here you see lots of elements here. There are grids also. You can use it as well. I will show you after. Here you got the text. There are different fonts available. You can create your own fonts in Canva also. A heading also. There are music folders for videos, posts. Then there are videos. You can set a background. You can upload a file from here. This is folder where I keep my projects. So this is basically the things you get in Canva. So right now I'm going to set a background image. I have some selected background for colors. I won't select any image here. I would go for a color. So this is a color palette which I have selected already. You can do it in Canva. I selected this one. Yeah. Now I am going to insert a photo. As I told you, I am working in weight loss and health products, so I will select. There are so many options in Canva you can select from here, so I will select this one. It automatically fits into my canvas, and I will just arrange it. Like I can drag it by the side. So this is basically the layout I have selected for my post, and I can stretch the image like this. After it is selected, I can add text from here, add a heading, I can rearrange it. I can stretch this. I can change the color of the font also, of the text. Make a spelling mistake here. There's a margin popping up because it is showing exactly where I have aligned it. So this is a very good feature in Canva. I can also design or put elements here. Like this one. I just drag it and resize it. I change the color of this element by choosing the element. So this is almost done. Now I want to show you that how can you create an animated effect in Canva. In Canva Pro you have this option. When you download the file, you have this animation option. You see the effects, there are different effects. You can apply it. Okay, that's almost done and it's over, and you can now download this PNG video file. Thank you for watching.